This is Ian with RLB, and today we are installing this 36-inch San Felipe Chase Light on this Can-Am X3. To install this Chase Light, we gotta take the roof off in the back to access this back bar right here. Once the Chase Light's mounted, we will run the harness down this bar back behind this plastic piece to the taillight harness on the firewall on the driver's side. Once that's all ran and mounted, we will run the switch and the power and ground up the tunnel, connect the power and ground to this bus block for the accessory power, and mount our switch in the dash. So let's get started. For our plug and play options, if you have our older style plug and play pigtail with these connectors, these plugged into the taillight harness on the firewall. If you have our newer style pigtail with connectors that look like these plug into the taillight harness of the actual housing of the taillight. There we go, we have our Chase Light mounted. We have our wires coming down this tube, the harness plugged in to the Chase Light back here, and the pigtail harness is ran back behind this plastic to the pigtail on the driver's side on the firewall. And on the passenger side of the car, we have our power and ground and our switch wire ran behind the back seat into the tunnel with our power and ground hooked up to the bus block on the passenger side. The middle wire is hot power, so you want to make sure that you put the power to the accessory on the bottom and the ground on the top. Lastly, we installed our switch onto the dash. To mount this Chase Light, I used our Chase Light mounting brackets. These mounting brackets come in all different sizes for any kind of cage you have on your car. These Chase Lights have a slide track on the back and the bottom, and these brackets spin a full 360 to make sure your Chase Light is nice and level when you install it on your car. If you want to see the functionality of our Chase Lights, click the link below. If you have any questions on how to install our Chase Light or any of our other products, please email us or give us a call. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications.